This is a MINGDA Magican X 3D printer. Today I want to give my thoughts, what I think about this printer. Good things and bad things. I like this printer. It's really good printer for home use. Simple, nice, very well made. It's a little bit unique. You see this part, bottom part, it's in plastic. So it's a not heavy printer. You can move very easily around your house, this printer, if you need. It's actually very quiet. What I can hear, actually nearly can hear, this fan. It's power supply fan. I'm changed my print bed to a flexible, so I can easily remove things. Like you see, this printer have a direct extruder. If you want to print or use flexible filament, very good to have, and you get more stable prints. Check this out. I'm printed in 75 millimeters per second. Use it Sunlu silk pillar. It came out really nice. I hope you can see in the video. Printed in 0.2 layer height, 5% infill, every second layer. That I save a lot of time by doing this. 210 degrees nozzle, 65 degrees bed for first 3 layers. After that, 55 degrees. This printer have very responsible touch screen, easy to control, and you found all settings you need. When you auto leveling, you don't need save or nothing, so it's very simple. You just auto leveling and it's done. Of course, you can do Z offset, raise up, or make down your nozzle. USB stick. Yes guys, this printer supports USB stick, that I like. It's very useful. When you have this printer at home, notice small SD cards. That it's great. You have belt tensions everywhere, EX and XX. What I like that this printer have some storage box. So you can add all your stuff in here. They made very good English and German instructions how you can use this printer. If you're new in 3D printing, maybe it can be useful for you. Very easy to assemble. Just a couple of screws and you're ready to go. Of course, don't forget to adjust your wheels, nuts that you can adjust. And of course, bed have same, so you can adjust so it's not vibrate. Wider axis, so you get more stable bed. Wider XX. That's very important because it's direct extruder, it weighs a little bit more. So it moves very stable because it's wider axis. 2 zeta axis, guys. Yes. And they are connected with the belt so you can move easily. And of course they added some in the frame some marks so you can see straight or not, you XX. quiet, USB stick, very stable, double axis, wider EX, wider XX. You can easily add flexible plate on this printer or page sheet. Auto leveling, simple to use, but like all printers, this printer is not perfect. This printer bottom, it's made in the plastic, so it's like a plastic bucket or something, so you can hear it. It's empty inside, so you must add some sound dampers or something, put inside in your printer. That's eliminate sound, because you're going to hear vibrations, especially e-motor. Because printer is very quiet, but you're going to hear vibrations if you not add some sound absorbers or something. Second thing that I don't like, motherboard and drivers have no cooling at all. So it's very strange, it's nothing on them. I printed some big things, I mean, I don't have any problem, but it's very strange to see that. This spool holder, I think it's not good place, because imagine if you have some new roll that it weighs 1 kilogram or something. It can be little bit problem with vibrations. I don't have any problem. Like I told before, I printed some bigger things, but who knows? Of course, those two axes going to help a lot, and maybe that's why they designed this printer by adding those two Z-axes. This printer, it's like I told before, great for home use. Even if you new in 3D printing, auto leveling, that helps a lot. They added this flexible cable, mechanical stoppers. It's optical. That's nice to see. Quality speaks by itself, and in 75 millimeters per second speed. That's amazing. So guys, this is my little review about this printer. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, like. Of course, I'm going to add link below in this video, so you can buy this printer directly from MINGDA. I really recommend. Great printer for home use. I'm enjoying it, guys. Like you see, I'm in my living room and it's quiet and print fast. It's actually everything what I need.